Linhai Xinxing Sporting Goods Factory was established in 1995, which is a professional manufacturer of wooden chess, wooden indoor and outdoor games, with more than 24 years. We have certificates of BSCI, FSC. Our factory is located in Linhai City, Zhejiang Province, which is nearby Ningbo Port. The convenient transportation has brought us more opportunities and advantages in both domestic and foreign markets. Our factory covers 8,000 square meters. We have experienced workers, advanced equipment, and strict quality control system. Our products can pass the test of EN71 and ASTM, based on the principle of integrity management and reputation first. The company has won the praise from foreign business for its quality, affordable price, and service. So our products sell well in North America, South America, Europe market, Mid-East area, and some Asia countries. Moreover, we also accept OEM and ODM orders to fulfill customers' specifications. We are looking forward to cooperating with overseas customers based on mutual benefits. Please feel free to contact us or visit our website for more information. Thanks for all your supporting in the past several years. Hope we can develop the new future together.